Great, you got your syllabus quiz taken. After you take that quiz, you'll see all the week's work that we'll need to do. So let's start with week 1, Introduction to Lab Simulations. Here's module overview. All the weeks have an overview section. This just tells what we're going to be doing, and this week we're just going to work on using the simulation software. You're going to need to purchase the ChemLab simulations. You can purchase them from the bookstore, or I believe you can use a credit card online, but this has not been included with your class. So, in order to play on the simulation, we'll need to go out of our week 1 and go up to the top. At the very top, we have lab simulations. If you click here, this page will pop up. And this is the one we'll be doing. You'll click here and go into the lab. Let's go ahead and do that. Down here, I'm sorry. Click down there. All right. This is our introduction to the lab. Each one has an introductory section that you need to read carefully. This little triangle will take you to the procedure. When we open our labs, we need to left click on this blue box and open it in a new tab. That way you can see, you'll be able to flip back and forth between the lab simulation and the procedure, so you can read what you're supposed to do and see and actually do it. We go into our lab. We have to wear our goggles, our lab coat, and our gloves before we enter the lab. So here's where you'll be able to manipulate objects. Use the scale. You can add water to something. It'll ask you how much. We'll add 10 mils. And you can't see it, but there's a little bit of water in the bottom there. Okay, so this is the lab simulation. When you've completed all the procedures here, you'll go back to that initial page. I find it here. And take this multiple choice quiz. You can take the quiz more than once. You do need to take pretty good notes during the lab simulation in order to have the answers for the quiz. And that's it for the first week. Welcome to class, and I hope you enjoy the class, and contact me whenever you have any problems.